Every day, this operation moves 200,000 tons of earth, a monumental task requiring precise coordination.
Truck 44, proceed to Shovel 2, priority.
Control, confirm Shovel 1 is clear.
200,000 achieved.
Ramp cleared, heading for Beta.
Truck 40 heavy on the B8 ramp, approaching the drop zone. Clear the path, 21 heavy traffic.
40 acknowledged, path clear, good morning.
Truck 48, proceeding to the crusher queue.
Load complete. Truck 61 clear.
Target achieved, maintaining current pace. Truck 72, you are exceeding the speed limit on the grade.
Backing off now. Control.
Control, this is Heavy Haul 42.
All units effective immediately utilize the newly blasted face on bench 5. Maintain current tonnage rates.
Copy that. Proceeding to bench 5. Over.
At dawn, this pit awakens. 200,000 tons of earth will be moved before the day is done.
Truck 14 to Shovel 7, clear for loading.
All shifts reporting normal operations.
Control, load confirmed at the primary crusher. We just crossed 200,000 tons.
705, proceed to the 540 bench, loading zone 3.
Roger that. Control.
All personnel, evacuate the area. Blast imminent. Confirmed clear. Detonate.
We have movement on the north ramp.
Roger that. Keep the flow steady.
Truck 44, divert to Crusher 2 stockpile.
Blast initiation in 5. Confirm perimeter clear.
Perimeter clear, all personnel accounted for.
We just crossed the target. 200,001 tons. Good work, team. Truck 107, stand by at 5500 level. Wait for load cycle complete. Shovel 4 to control, approaching target tonnage.
Copy that. Keep the trucks moving. Great work out there.
Stop, hold it there.
This is the pit at dawn. 200,000 tons of rock must be moved before nightfall if the target is to be met.
All shovels report status.
Shovel 4 is loaded.
Sector 4, Alpha Bench, proceeding to blast area clearance.
Ready for shift change. Confirm Sector 2.
Loader 2 cleared. Truck 50 heading up.
All units be advised. Blast imminent. Clear the zone. Roger. Moving to safety.
Control room, we just hit the 200,000 mark. Great job, everyone.
Day shift. Target met. Transitioning to maintenance.
Crusher is live. Send the next load.
Copy that. Target hit. Resetting the board. Okay, 200. Keep it going.
We just crossed 200,000 tons.
Great work, everyone.
Alpha 9, you are clear to proceed to the crusher.
Truck 40 cleared to shovel 2, priority load.
T-Net 10, 5, 1.
From the moment the blast occurs, the cycle begins. Giant machines work tirelessly to
Blast sequence initiated. T-minus 10 seconds. All units confirmed clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire.
Stand by for the blast.
Deep in the Oakland Mountains, the daily pulse begins. 200,000 tons of earth moved every single day.
Shovel 1-4, adjust your cycle time. We need to push 200 more loads this hour. Copy?
T-minus 5 seconds.
4, 3. Control to fleet, confirming 200,000 achieved for the day. Keep it turning. Fuel complete, move out.
Blasting in T4 area. Stand by for initiation.
Done.
Alpha 4-1, proceed to 850 bench. Wait for clear.
Hole 14 clear. Pressure normal.
Truck 4 cleared for the ramp. Watch the blast zone on level 6. Alpha 7 to pit boss. Stand by for new target zone. Roger that. Send 41B to bench 15.
5, 4, 3.
Alpha 7, confirm clear on 460 bench. Proceeding to primary.
Loaded, heading to primary.
And we have achieved 200,000 tons.
797 inbound to Crusher 1. Dispatching drill 4 to bench 14.
Loader 7 clear.
Every day, the Earth yields its bounty.
Attention all personnel. Warning. Blast imminent. Clear the area.